Alright guys, I hope everyone's doing well out there. We've not done a video in quite a while, so we're just doing a quick one today, just to say that we're okay and we're actually living in a wee town in Austria at the minute. The cycling has came to a standstill at the minute because all the borders are closed and it's too hard to get through. So we're hoping to be back on the road again about March, late March time. But today we're going to take a cycle just around the town we're living in to see it. So aye, let's go. Let's go. She doesn't like the cobbles, so I've got to walk. I don't like them either though, so walk down the bottom of the hill, then jump on the bike. Bounce, 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 bounce. If you've noticed as well, got this lovely t-shirt out, a Nala t-shirt just peeping out of the pocket. So you can go on the website www.onebikeoneworld.com to get yours right now. Anyway, let's go. Hello. Beautiful. Ah, that's my finger. Two dogs. Hey, two dogs. Puppies. Hello.
Flot.
Oh, and that is us back home. Hey, you've got a beautiful town. You going to show them your house? This is our living room. We have a wee kitchen, a wee table, and where does Nala keep her food? Yes, where about? You want some food? Yes. Lunchtime. So aye, this is our wee house we're living at just now. I think we're going to spend winter here. We hear ya, have you come? Catch it, catch it. So aye, the GoPro died before, but as we're saying, we're going to be having winter here for the next few months, and fingers crossed we can get back on the bike in springtime when it's a bit warmer, and hopefully the borders will start opening up again. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, stay safe.